To Jamb 2019 Principles of Account, past question number 31. Use the information below to answer question 31. Lightning 2925 naira. Rent 2640 naira. Salary 4050 naira. The expenses are for the three products Zema, Zata, and Zara. They are apportioned on the basis of production. 4,500 units of the products are produced, out of which 1260 and 2060 units are for Zema and Zata respectively. Question 31 now says the lighting charge to be apportioned to Zema's is, so Zema's share of lightning, Zema's share of lightning is equals to, and lightning is 1260 over 4,500 units times the total for lightning is 2925. So by the time we multiply 2925 over 1, by the time we multiply, we're going to have naira 819. So naira 819 is option A as the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.